Happy summer and happy welcome back to school for the kiddos. You know what's always fun about schools? If we go out there and we get our new clothes, we get our new books, everything is new. And what's exciting about new is that the house they just left got used a lot over the summer. And now it's time to bring our house back up to new, just like our kiddos going into school. And if you didn't have any kids around in the summer, maybe it's just a chance for you to update things and get ready for that fall that's coming, and we can get out there and enjoy our decks a little bit more. We just had an extensive training in our office talking about decks and what to look for on decks. And we have had a lot of people ask us, what is the right way to go about decks? Give us a call and we'll give you those options, from repair all the way to going to maybe a beautiful no-rot composite deck that will last for 25, sometimes even 50 years in some of the warranties. Some great ideas there. As those kids go back to school, one last thing, you want to do a dedicated space for them to be able to focus and study and to help them get better as young individuals. And we got some great ideas to help you build out some desks, some cubbies, maybe some ideas where you can expand the footprint of your home within the footprint of your home. Give us a call and I'll tell you what I mean. We, as always, love hearing from all of you. Thanks for joining us and listening to this episode of me talking, and hopefully you enjoy the newsletter.